Alright, let's talk about the OnePlus 6T. And I realize that I'm missing a painting there. Alright, I'm gonna get it replaced soon. You just bought a OnePlus 6 and it's an amazing phone. It has a huge display, an insanely fast processor, premium build, stock-like Android software, now with Android Pie, fast biometric unlocking methods, and a headphone jack. What more could you ask for? Well, get ready to throw that garbage away because that's so last season. I'm just kidding, but OnePlus isn't. They're already planning to drop the OnePlus 6T probably sometime next month, so let's discuss a few rumors and leaks about the OnePlus 6T, and also let you know what features I would love to see in this upcoming flagship. Earlier this month, an alleged box of the OnePlus 6T got leaked. It showed some recognizable logos, designs, cheesy slogans, but most importantly, inside the box there was an outline of the 6T with a tiny water drop shaped notch and a fingerprint icon on its screen, implying that the 6T might come with an in-display fingerprint sensor. A few days later, CNET received confirmation from OnePlus with screenshots of the 6T's ambient display, clearly showing the in-screen fingerprint reader's icon. On top of everything, the Oppo R17 looks just like the alleged OnePlus 6T, which makes these leaks even more credible. After all, the OnePlus 6 was based on the Oppo R15, and the OnePlus 5T was inspired by the R11. So far, this is all great news. A smaller notch and an in-display fingerprint sensor. What I'm not so hyped about is the rumor that OnePlus might ditch the headphone jack. Carl P, co-founder of OnePlus, confirmed this in an interview with TechRadar, saying that it will save them some space inside the device so they can add a bit more battery capacity and more technology, which probably means the in-display fingerprint reader. He also said that it was the right time to get rid of the headphone jack because the pros outweigh the cons. There were also two press images from WinFuture of the OnePlus 6T's back. Those images clearly show some gloss around the edges, implying that there will be a model with an all-glass encasing, or maybe just a polished metal. And there's also no rear fingerprint scanner underneath the cameras. In India, OnePlus is already teasing the 6T with commercials, and just 2 days ago on September 26, a website called MySmartPrice was able to obtain some OnePlus 6T renders in all possible directions and angles from OnLinks. These renders show off everything from the phone's measurements to its tier water drop notch and its lack of a fingerprint sensor, pretty much confirming the look of the device. Those are all of the leaks and rumors that have been released as of September 28 for OnePlus's upcoming flagship. It looks like a promising device except for the lack of a headphone jack, but there are still a few features that I hope OnePlus can include or improve to make the 6T the complete package. The first feature I'd like to see improved is water resistance. The 6T needs an official IP rating. It's been a long time coming, and with the price slowly being increased with every new release, I don't think they can slide by anymore without a majority of their loyal customers noticing. OnePlus has obviously been playing with the idea for a while now. People have discovered gaskets and seals and teardowns going as far back as the release of the OnePlus 5T, so let's see a real IP rating on the 6T OnePlus. Another feature that I want OnePlus to work on is their rear secondary camera. The OnePlus 5 had a telephoto lens which worked just fine and not too many people had a problem with it, but starting with the 5T when they changed the second sensor's purpose, people's commentaries haven't been so great. The 5T had a 20 megapixel secondary low light sensor, and it didn't really help improve low light performance all that much compared to the main camera. The OnePlus 6 also came with a secondary rear camera, but it only helped support the main sensor in portrait mode by providing depth information. Sure, it worked just fine, but who uses portrait mode that much that they'd prefer to use it over a wide angle or telephoto lens? Probably not that many people. All I'm asking OnePlus is that if you're going to raise the price for including a secondary camera and lens, then please include one that the majority of people want, like a wide angle or a telephoto. OnePlus has released some spectacular devices over recent years with inexpensive price tags, and I do want to recommend their smartphones to everyone I know, but I can't. That's because they don't support CDMA. It might not affect everyone and it's mostly a US problem, but by not supporting CDMA, Verizon and Sprint customers can't use a OnePlus device. I think this is one of the main reasons why OnePlus isn't that popular in the States, so here's hoping that I can recommend the 6T to subscribers on CDMA carriers. The fourth feature that I want OnePlus to improve is their built-in speakers, especially considering that they're planning to remove the headphone jack. After using the OnePlus 6's single downfiring unit for so long, I feel like the company could do a much better job on its next phone. The speaker on the OnePlus 6 does get decently loud, but it distorts at its high points and it can be easily blocked with your palm. I honestly wouldn't mind if OnePlus just did what Samsung does for the Galaxy S9 and added in stereo sound by using both the earpiece speaker and the bottom facing driver together. Since I already sound like a whiny baby, I might as well just throw in a few more nitpicks and features that I would love to see in the OnePlus 6T. I would love for OnePlus to include expandable storage, wireless charging, a few more color options for a bit more excitement, replace the shelf panel with the Google feed in the OnePlus launcher, get rid of the category section in the launcher's app drawer. The categories are random, take up a lot of space for no reason, and some apps are automatically placed in the wrong category with no way of changing them. Lastly, if you could allow me to invert the alert slider so the option for silencing the phone is down instead of up, that would help improve my ADHD. Anyways, those are all the features that I would love to see in OnePlus's upcoming flagship, plus a roundup of the leaks and rumors so far. By the way, if you're wondering why I didn't slap Quad HD display on my wish list, it's because I know that it would raise the 6T's price too much, and that goes against OnePlus's purpose. Top tier flagships with a mid tier price tag. Let me know down in the comments what features you would like to see on the OnePlus 6T, and if you're planning to purchase it. Make sure to check out Ryne's wishlist for the OnePlus 6T over at Android Police's website. He's got a few more things for OnePlus to fix, and get subscribed so you don't miss out on other great Android videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.